So we finished cleaning our fish. I'm going to show you how it looks. And voila, our fish. I put some onion on top, some sweet pepper, red and yellow, and with all this season, baby. That's what we call fishing in the island of Haiti. So now I'm gonna teach you how to cook it in a little bit, but I need to breathe. The spice is too strong for my eye. I can't open my eyes. That's what we call Creole food. So come to the island if you're not strong in your eye and in your nose. Please don't come. Your eyes gonna start watering. You're not gonna be able to see. Adios amigos, we're gonna learn how to cook the fish. So we're going to make one of our fish. I have four. I'm gonna make one. I've not been eating fish for a long time. I'm gonna put some oil. So let me do my clarification. I'm using this organic tomato sauce with garlic, but Haitian usually use tomato sauce. So I stay away from tomato sauce. I prefer that one. That's just my favorite. You can use the tomato paste. Haitian use tomato paste. I don't like tomato paste. So I've done it in front of you to show you how. Oh, I got burned. Welcome to my real life in cooking. I have mark everywhere. The purpose of this, so you can fry the fish. You can fry it or mix sauce with the fish, but I told you, I'm against fry. Fried tastes good. I like the taste, but I know it's not good for me.